Hello, my name is Alex Seiden, and thank you for taking a look at the iResist demo. So iResist is a web app for mobilizing and organizing protests. The first thing the user sees after logging in or going through the sign-up process is their dashboard. And on their dashboard, they'll have any ongoing protests that they're a member of and any upcoming protests that they're a member of. If they wish to get further information regarding an upcoming protest, they can just click on the name of the protest and they'll get a drop down with further information. They'll have information regarding the cause, the time, the meeting address, the number of folks that will be attending, and a longer description of the event. Additionally, they'll have a map with a drop pin that shows where folks will be meeting, and they will have the option to leave the protest if they're no longer interested in attending. Additionally, if they want to find more protests to join, they can just click Find a Protest, and they'll get a list of any protests that they're able to join. They can simply click on one of them, and they'll get a drop down with further information regarding it, and they'll have the ability to join it by clicking Join. They'll be brought back to their dashboard, and the protest will be added to their upcoming protests. Additionally, if they wish to take charge, they can click on Organize a Protest to create a protest, and they'll get a quick form they can fill out to organize a protest. So we'll make something like test protest, cause is testing, description is testing things. Maybe it'll be held at an address in San Francisco. You can search for that address, and if it's found, you'll get a drop pin of that location on the map. Additionally, you just finally put in a date and time. So say maybe this will be August 1st, and it will occur from noon until maybe 3 p.m. And you submit it. And that's all it takes to create a protest. In addition, you'll get a little icon next to it that shows that you're actually the organizer of the protest. So all of those features make up the mobilization half of iResist's features. They help you plan protests, find protests, join them, and build them up. But the other big portion of iResist's features are focused on improving your organization on the day of a protest. And we can see that by clicking on an ongoing protest. When we click on an ongoing protest, we're brought to this page, which first of all, on this page, it just has that detailed information regarding the protest. Again, this is the same information you'd see in the drop-down. But if you click on these tabs down here, the first tab will bring you over to a map of the protest. And on this map, there will by default have a pin that's dropped just for the event meeting location. But on top of that, there will be user-submitted pins with information regarding what's going on at specific places within the protest. You'll see who submitted it, when they submitted it, and a quick message regarding it. Additionally, if you happen to be near the events in this pin and you see that, yes, this is credible, this is something that people should be aware of, you have the option to upvote it to increase its credibility. Or alternatively, if it does not seem credible, you can downvote it to decrease its credibility. And this helps users filter out what information is legitimate and what information is not legitimate. Additionally, adding a new pin is as easy as clicking anywhere on the map, typing a brief message, something to be aware of, and submitting it. And it will be automatically dropped not just on your own map, but it will automatically appear on every single user's map. All of these pins are handled via sockets, so the map is updated without the need for a refresh on the client side. And the voting as well, up and down voting, is also handled via socket, so that is live as well. In addition to this, there is a feed where folks can post messages regarding the protest. Something is happening. Hello. And these are, once again, also handled via sockets, so all the information is live. There's up and down voting again. Once again, the information is live. In addition, you can upload photos to share as well. So you just do that, and then a photo will upload. On a mobile device, this button links into the camera, so the option of taking a picture and having that attached there links into your album. You can just upload pre-existing photos, but obviously on a desktop, it just pulls files from your computer like anything else. Finally, there's a tweets page, which live updates with tweets that are associated with keywords associated with the protest. So we see that there are some March for Science tweets here, and if you wish, you can just refresh them whenever you want to get more up-to-date tweets. And in a nutshell, that is iResist. It helps you you mobilize for protests. It helps you organize on the day of. We're especially excited about the map with the drop pins because that sort of geographic understanding of what's going on in a protest is something that folks historically, I do not think they've had. And that could actually be tremendously valuable to folks that are involved and improve mobilization and organization on the day of. In terms of our tech stack, our front end is running on React and Redux. Our back end is Node and Express. We're using Postgres for our database, and we currently have it deployed on Heroku. And that is iResist. Thank you so much.